Pardon me. I need to get to the front.
Attention, everyone! Attention! I am proud to declare the annual Elephant Island Book of Records ceremony officially open.
That's my dad. He's the mayor, you know. We know.
And first up is Frankie Melba, who'll try to break the record of juggling 6 tennis balls by juggling 7 tennis balls.
Excuse me. Coming through. Boy, it sure is hard getting through the crowd. Phew. Hi, Mayor Blue.
Well, hi, Frankie. Good luck. Frankie? Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, right. Juggling. My tennis balls. Oh, no. I forgot them. Ella! Ella, help! Ella, I forgot my tennis balls. Oh, no. Hang on, Frankie. Ella! Oh, I'll never be able to get through this crowd to bring these to Frankie. What are we going to do? If only we could throw the balls to him. Ella, that gives me an idea. I've got an idea, I'll sing it loud and clear. Everything I need is right between my ears. Magic hat, here we go. Hey, Frankie! Ella! Catch!
Okay, folks, let's see if he can do 4.
Come on, Frankie! 4,
4 balls, folks!
5, 6. Now here comes 7.
7 tennis balls, a new Elephant Island record!
Whoopee! Yeah! Genius, Ella. Just genius. Thanks. Go, Frankie!
You can stop now, Frankie.
I could, but I want to try to break next year's record, too.
No!